Introducing the new LA40, an upgrade from its predecessor, the LA70. The LA40 provides better output in a smaller product. It is fit for purpose in an offshore environment, easy to install, and low maintenance. We've gone through rigorous testing to the highest of standards to ensure the top quality that you expect. In the harsh offshore environment where conditions can be unpredictable, workplace safety is of the utmost importance. An effective platform light not only has to endure a harsh environment, but also provide a reliable light source, creating a safe working environment in any condition. The LA40 was designed specifically for illuminating offshore wind platforms and enduring the elements found there. For example, the LA40 has been tested to stand up to extreme hot and humid to cold and dry environments, as well as able to withstand vibration. We've achieved not only one, but 2 IP ratings, from water ingress from a jet spray to withstanding submersion in water. And we have also ensured that there is no electromagnetic emission or interference. The directional nature of the lamp provides light where it is needed, reducing light pollution and ensuring that the aids to navigation can be seen. We made several upgrades to the LA40 as well. The LA40 comes in 4 different light profiles. This flexibility enables efficient illumination of the platform with a minimal number of lights, thus reducing cost, the backup required, and maintenance. Its marine-grade aluminum housing and stainless steel end caps protect against corrosion. A Gore-Tex valve gives better moisture control, and a new earthing connection provides an extra layer of lightning protection. 2 cable entry options add flexibility for mounting, and it can be easily installed on the handrail. The LA40 is a versatile light for offshore wind platforms. Work area lighting is a valuable addition to the SABIC Offshore portfolio of safety lighting systems. Through design discussions and simulations, your SABIC Offshore representative can work with you to create a lean and efficient platform illumination layout that works well within your marking system. SABIC Offshore, your experts in marking offshore wind farms.